later on you can go to YouTube channel and so on. So first we'll do the to print means one program will write to print the multiplication table of a number. So let's see how we can simply do that. We know that multiplication table means just like for any number 5. So 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, like that we have to print. So for that purpose, what we have to do? So let's see. So first we have to just like input any number. So let's see how it look like. Just like 5 cross 1 equals to 5. Next line also same. 5 cross 2 equals to 10. So in this way basically we print the multiplication table. So first what we have to do, we have to input a number. So we know that we have to input number in this way, parse in within bracket, then write window dot prompt mpt prompt, then here we write the message, enter a number, and after that we have to just like simply run the loop. So how much time I will run the loop? For any multiplication table, you can run a loop for 10 times, 12 times as of my wish. Means if it is asked directly in a question that we have to display multiplication table in 10, so 1 to 10. Otherwise, you can go for up to 12 also. So where I equals to 1, I less than equal to 12, I am displaying up to 12, and I plus plus, and within then curly brace. Curly brace is optional for one line. So now how will display the table document here? This line is very much important. So everything is visible and audible now. See to it. So how I'm displaying. So we have to display in this format. Five is common for each line. So first we'll write that n will display n comma, then within double quotes cross symbol, one space, then space cross symbol, then comma, then how we are getting 1 2 3 4, we are getting to I, then again comma, again within double quotes space equal to space, some space will be there, it will look good, comma, then finally what we have to do, we are multiplying. So n asterisk actual multiplication where we n asterisk I, and to keep in on different line, we'll ping on different line, we'll go here, there's a break time. So in this way simply display the content. Now this is save it once, save as HTML file. So now let me run this one. So here it is asking to enter a number. Not over. Let just a minute, I lost the page. Just give me a second. Again, I'll run this one. Open with Chrome. Okay, so here is my page. Enter a number. Suppose I am entering, I want to find the multiplication table of 10. So here I am entering 10, and okay. So you can see our output has generated 10 into 1, 10, 10 to the 20, in this way 10, 20, 120. So this is how we can create a multiplication table. So this is the first question. So I'm just doing one thing. I'm keeping these things in your chat for also. So later on also those who are coming late, you can also see the answer. So this is the question for multiplication table. Now I will go for the next type of question, that is printing series in a program. So why these people are coming late? Why all of you are coming late? What is the time class timing? 12:40 or 12:30 it was. Okay. So, uh, so where I was discussing this last question, I was discussing. Now I will go for the next question, next type of question. So now we will go for series printing. Series printing. So this is another very important part of the HTML type of program. So let me first write few series, then we'll do one after another. So first series will display object 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 in this way, dot 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 n terms in this way. Number 2 series will do just like 1 plus 4 or 1 minus 4 plus 7 minus 10 plus 13 dot 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 n terms. This is the second series will do, and third series will do 1 plus by 2 plus 2 or minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5. So in this way we'll do 3 series. One more series also will do, that is 0 plus, okay, only will display the series 0, 3, 8, 15, dot 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 up to n terms. Will display the series of these terms. So these two things will do, this four series will do. So let me start one by one. So first of all, how we can do the series printing in case of folder, how it is done actually, so that we have to understand. So for that purpose, we have to start, obviously when it is asked to print a number up to n terms. So we have to go up to n terms. Just like for all the question, basically you can see n terms it is asked, but for this question it has not asked for n terms, but here also n terms. So first we have to enter the value of n. We have to enter the value of n. So when we'll enter the value of n, that time 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way we are propagating. So we have to take one variable where I to run the loop, and s for sum of 0 means sum equals to 0, where we will find the summation of the number, where we will find the sum of the value, means total series, sum of the series. Now I equals to 1, we are going up to n terms, so that's why I have written I less than n, I plus plus, and within that we are just simply finding the sum of the value. Suppose if I ask you sum of the number from 1 to 5, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. In this way we generally find the sum. So that's why here I have written s equal to s plus I, one after another value will be added inside the sum variable, inside the sum variable. Abhishek Ram, is it your first day? Is this your first day, Abhishek? Abhishek, can you listen to me? Abhishek Ram, I'm asking you. Abhishek, I'm asking you. Reply. Write something on the chat if you can't able to answer. So, so this is our first program. Now we'll simply display the content. Let's see. Since printing one, I'm saving this to the file. So now if we save it and let me run the program. So series printing one. So here enter number of terms. Suppose I want to print up to 10 terms. So here you can see the sum is coming 55. Sum is 55. So this is the first program. All of you, I think all of you can understand the first one. So if doubt is there, tell me. So first one is done. Now we'll go for the second one. Let me write the answer for this one. First one. Now second answer, second question we will write. So what is the question here? 1 minus 4 plus 7, 10, 3, 13 this way. So here also in terms. So I have been taken the value of n, how many terms? Then where I and s equal to 0, some will find. But here two special things, two special logics are there. What are the logics? First of all, here the values are increasing by 3. That means 1, then 4, then 7, then 10. So in place of I plus plus, what we'll write? I equal to I plus 3. Either this we can write, or we can write in a different way, I plus equal to 3. After writing this, here one more thing we have to do, that here we can see plus minus means alternate position wise plus minus symbols are there. So where number is odd, it is plus symbol. Where number is even, it is minus symbol. So for that purpose, we have to write like this: if I percent 2 equal to 0, that is the number is even. In that case, s will be s equal to s minus I, and when it is odd, that is the else part, then we'll write s equal to s plus I. In this way, we can simply print the value. Okay, so to one more thing also we can do here. So it will look good. Just like if we give the curly brace, and here if we print the I, we do the things. Right, that will print. If it is even, so we'll print first down quotes minus symbol, then side by side I is there, and then we'll find the summation either by subtracting or by adding. And if the number is odd, then we'll use the plus symbol. So I will write plus the curly brace, and there we'll write document dot write plus I, right? Plus I. So in this way, you can simply print the things. And after completion of printing, here ultimately just will place equal to sum and bring s. So this is our task. So let's save the program. series printing 1. So if we can run the program, let's see. Enter number of terms. So I want to print up to 10 terms. Let it be. So you can see up to 10 it has taken. Plus 1, minus 4, minus 7, minus 10, plus 7, minus 10. So ultimately value is coming minus 6. Is it clear to all of you? Tell me. Okay. Abhishek, Ram, I think you can't hear. Abhishek, can you hear me? I will either reply or I will simply remove you from the classroom. Okay, so this is done, I think. So we'll go for the next question. Tell me if you have any doubt in this question, in this particular question. So this thing is done. Now we can print this simple series. So then we'll go for the next series. So let me just paste it inside that question. Like this one. So now we'll do this one. So 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. So here you can see no particular range is given. So we'll not take this n, will not input n. So that's why I'm closing with first line, single line comment. I will not take. Then for the then what will be the term? So if we go by numerator, we can see 1, 2, 3, and 4 is there. So we can go up to 4. And what is the relation? Relation is that if numerator is 1, denominator is plus 1, means 1 plus 1, 2. If numerator is 2, denominator is plus 1, 3. Then 1, 3, then it is 4. In this way it is going. Now, one more thing, here also plus minus logic is there. So when numerator is odd, so that time plus symbol, and when numerator is even, that time it has minus symbol. So just like same way, we'll write here if it is percent equal to 0, that is the even part. So how it is displaying, it's like minus I, within double quotes, slash, then comma, then I plus 1, I plus 1. This is the thing, and here also we'll write I s equal to s minus I by I minus I plus 1. So this is the task, and here also the same thing. We'll write all the plus symbol it will be. So here it will be I by I plus 1. So after writing these two, ultimately we have to find the display the sum also. So that's why in the right outside also sum is there. So let's see how it is working. So 1 by 2. Okay, one term is missing, I guess. One term is missing, we're missing. Here it is 4. Okay, plus equal to 3, just like earlier. So you have to make it I plus plus or I plus equal to 1. So with single term it will increase then. So here you can see plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5, and ultimately this is the sum. So in this way we are just doing this series type of sum. And there is one more sum, so that is not a series, just we have to print the values, means print the series values. So we'll do this now. Now let's see how we can do this one. This just you have to think for the logic, proper logic, so it will be easily done. So let's see. Everybody try to answer this one. Logic for this series. What will be the logic? Anyone of you? Just write the logic for this one. Yeah. I into the value is there 03815. No? So if it is 03 I into I minus 1, yeah. Sure. So just like 1 square minus 1, 2 square minus 1, 3 square minus 1, 4 square minus 1. Simple. So here we are not using any sum help variable. Just we'll write up to n terms. So here also we have to input for the n terms. So we'll take this line. We'll input till which number user wants to enter the value. And then up to n terms we'll simply run the loop, and one by one we'll display the value. Dot right, and we'll display I into I minus 1. So I asterisk I minus 1. Placing a comma, and within double quotes another comma, so that after printing each value it will display the comma. So let's see. Enter number of terms. So let's 8 terms I'm giving here. So 8 terms is display 0, 3, 8, 15, 24, 25, 48, 63. So in this way we are displaying content. I think this point is clear to all of you. So this is done for series printing. Some more, I think in the worksheet also a few questions are given. So if to anyone that you just face any question regarding the worksheet problem also, you can ask in the classes. Doubt, I will clear the doubt in the question. So start doing the question till I have been covering. You can do the questions. Okay. So this was the type of series printing, different kinds of sum on series printing. Now we'll go for the next topic, that is break and continue statement on JavaScript using loop. Means with loop, how we can use the break and continue statement. Break and continue with for, let's say. This kind of things will go for. So before starting the break and continue, first we have to understand the simple general concept of break and continue, how we write the break and continue, or what is the purpose of break and continue, that we have to understand. So just like for simple understanding purpose, we can say this document I will share with you. Just for understanding purpose, 2 words you can say. Using the break, we can simply jump out of any particular situation, and using the condition means continue, we can skip any particular condition. Means what? Again I'm repeating. Using the break, when I'm using the break, so program or execution will stop. Execution will stop immediately. Stop. But when I will use the continue, so that time we can use the term skip the particular condition. Skip the substitution. These two situations are there. On the basis of these two situations, we can use the break and continue part. Okay, break and continue. So now the situation is that how we can use this break part and how we can go for the continue. So I'm taking one simple example. All of you try to answer one question. So yes, Ayushi, what you are saying? Uh, Anonymous function as an argument to other function. Function you want to pass through as an argument means call by value, call by reference, whatever you want to pass in function. No function. How can you can pass? Just like okay, okay. What's it as a? It was actually one of the interview questions. That's why I've given that. Yeah, I remember. No. Yeah. But in few cases are there. One case is there. Just like I'm telling one example. Just think of it. Suppose we are calling a random function, anonymous function. For example, we are creating one function sum, and it is taking two argument. And inside the argument, I am using pow of 2, 3, comma sqrt of 4. So ultimately, we are passing to functions or not, like that. Okay, just we have uh, yes. So that's why we have to understand that situation means uh, what are the possibilities are there, how we can use this kind of situation. That is the mental ability questions. Okay, interview based question, concept question. Okay, we'll discuss on this topic. Okay, okay. This will be your answer. You can write yes. We can do. True. Right. So this kind of this few question will be there that are out of your simply the area or boundary of your syllabus, out of that boundary, outside. Okay, let's see. So we are continue displaying discussing on the break and continue statement. So first of all, we'll discuss about the break. So break, as I told, it will simply stop the execution. Now I'm arising one condition to all of you, that suppose I'm asking you to tell me all numbers from 1 to 20. Tell me all the numbers from 1 to 20, but stop telling me when you reach a certain number which is divisible by 3 and 9 both. So just Monica, you just tell the numbers quickly. Unmute yourself. Monica, can you listen to me? Okay, try to answer, then I will help you if any problems are there. I'm again repeating my question. Tell me numbers from 1 to 20, but stop telling when you reach a certain number that is divisible by 3 and 9 both. Okay. Okay. Aishi, wait a minute. Sarah is there. Sarah, tell. Not yes, sir. I want the answer. ओके, आई एम आस्किंग जस्ट मुझे कुछ नंबर 1 से लेकर 20 तक नंबर्स बताओ, तभी तुम स्टॉप हो जाना जब कोई नंबर ऐसा आएगा जो 3 से और 9 से दोनों से डिविजिबल होता है. शिवचरण, বলতে পারবি? Anybody? আচ্ছা, tell the answer. No, no. And nine. Nine. So I'm asking from number from 1 to 20. I'm asking number from 1 to 20. Those are divisible by 3 and 9. So 9 will be that. 9 will be the number or not? So ultimately it will display from 1 to 8. When 9 will come, then and there it will stop. I told you to stop. Means you will not propagate more or you will not proceed more. Then and there it will stop. So this is my point. When I'm asking to stop means when a particular situation will be raised, so that time you will stop. For example, another example I'm taking, I'm asking to tell me numbers from 1 to 10, but stop when the numbers is coming divisible by 6. So you will say 1 sir, 2 sir, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also. Now when you are taking that 6, no, 6 is divisible by 6. So I have to stop. Yes, for that we'll use the break statement. So let's see how we can use the break statement. So here, first I'm just like I'm writing this example program. So I'm running a loop from 1 to 20, 1 to 20, and what I'll write here, I'll write if I percent 3 equal to 0 and I percent 9 equal to 0, so then what we have to do, break. Otherwise we'll simply display the value of I, display the value of I. So this is the thing. So let's see how it works. Save. When? That 120. 120. Okay. So just let me print the file. Okay, so I'm taking enter a number. By mistake here I've taken the number, actually it's not written. Whatever. So here you can see. Is it display which question I have actually run for? Okay, I'm running for the series one, so I have to start with the break. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, here you can see. So when the numbers is coming 9, so then and there it is going to stop. It is stop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is the use of break. But in place of continue, in place of break, if I write continue, so what will happen? So let's see. This is break. Okay, that is done. Now, just what I am changing, in place of break, I am writing continue. So what will happen? It will just skip that particular condition. Means it will display the rest, skipping that particular condition where the condition is raised. Means in number divisible by 10. Let's see. So when I am giving the number, here it is 10. If we write here up to 20, we write here up to 20, so then also it will move forward, also means propagate more, only skipping that 9, and here it is skipping the 18. So this is the outcome of continue. So is this point clear to all of you? Any doubt is there? Obviously it has application. Okay, student. Then ending the session. You can go for the YouTube or video also if you